shit. Okay. How about this? Let's try this. I think I want to see that door animation. Oh, the director is there! God.
Oo, si director. Wow.
Si Narita na yun.
Oh, Narita na yan.
Yeah, may guaranteed kami Narita, bro. Wow, for
The directors.
Speedy.
Huwag ka na mag-pull ng character.
Oo, okay, mag-pull na.
Gawin mo ng 20 o kaya, ikaw na bahala.
Sa Smart Falcon ka nag-pull. Special week.
Wait, ibig sabihin dalawa yung ano niya?
Kung ganun, ano, dalawa ka niya.
Why did I see you every time? Oh my God!
Wait, bakit sin ganun?
Hindi, baka na dyan yung ano, isa pang
Baka isa pa,
3-star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. We're gonna see this, chat. We're gonna see this. Oh. What the fuck? Yun na. What the hell, bro?
Pump fake, bro.
Di ba?
Sayang. Sayang.
Peke, ganun.
Pinake out ko ni
Ay,
Director
mauna na.
Akikawa, bro.
Sige lang, out ka na.
Yeah.
Alright, bro, L.
Legit, L, yan lang yung L na card. I swear, bro.
Just give me some running animation. Oh, okay.
Uy, Director Akikawa, oh.
You will not.
Fake out or action?
You will. No. Wait.
Skip.
Wait, iba yung title? Iba yung title?
Uy, Eclipse
Ellipse?
first. Ibig
Okay,
sabihin,
nanalo ako.
sa bano yan?
Okay, nanalo na ako.
Yeah,
I
panalo
will-
ka.
No!
Uy,
Oh, no, si Corinne.
Smart Falcon.
Smart
Smart
Falcon.
Falcon.
Fake out ka.
What?
Hola, generation fake out ni Director Akikawa.
Yung naman fake out siya lagi. What the hell, bro?
That's choice, bro.
Wait. We still have a you
We
still have a
chance
chance.
to
You still have a chance. My chance.
Okay, there's nothing.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Wow.
It's a fake out. Bruh.
Wait, nagpull ka ba kaya, no? Kay
Nagpull ka
Narita
ba?
Bryan?
Or baka yung Smart Falcon.
Na, bro, nasa kabilang banner lang yan.
See, the game really. This is wonderful experience for me.
Oh,
Oh my
God.
God. What the hell, bro?
Bro, paborito ko ng kahit sino except kay Narita Bryan. Oh my
Imagine,
That's messed up.
Hindi ka matatawag na clown kasi nang-pull ka sa page sa saktong banner pero ibang karakter mo bas. Oh my God, that's nice. I'm not a clown here, bro. The character just. I think that's what. Oh my God, wala. Tatlong Agnes. Okay. Basically, I didn't get Satomi. Kita-san?
Oh, Kita-san Black. Okay, nice.
Okay. Galing eh.
Wow.
Ito yung una, tignan